Start. The prosecution case in brief is that on 29/8/2009 at 12:15 noon at a place near Phoenix Arts and Sports Club, bearing registration number 434 2009, on the road leading from Panayur Junction to Kotungal, situated about 350 meters east of Panayur Junction in Alapura Coastal Road, the accused forcibly stabbed Ponnachan with knife, which was in his possession on the left side of chest, with an intention to commit murder, causing deadly injury on left side of his chest and right hand. Full stop. Ponnachan succumbed to the injuries while he was taken for treatment to KVM Hospital, Chertala. Full stop. On reaching the hospital, the doctor, after examining the deceased, pronounced him dead. It is further alleged that the accused, due to his previous enmity towards deceased Ponnachan, murdered the deceased in connection with some criminal appeal number 504 of 2014, property dispute between the parties. Exhibit P1, first information statement was given by plaintiff witness Tilakaban, an independent eyewitness residing about 30 meters southwest of the house of one K.C. Pavitran. Full stop. The accused is residing in the property adjacent to the northern side of the property owned by K.C. Ponnachan, on the northern side of the property owned by the said Pavitran. Full stop. Plaintiff witness 1 lodged exhibit P1 FIS 2 PW12, the Sub Inspector of Police, Arthungal Police Station, on 29/8/2009 at about 2 p.m. Full stop. He recorded statement of plaintiff witness 1 and registered a case for the offence punishable under section 302 of IPC. Resultantly, exhibit P9 FIR was registered on the strength of exhibit P1 statement. PW14, who was the Circle Inspector of Police, Marikulam, commenced the investigation on 29/8/2009 itself. Full stop. On that day, he prepared exhibit P2 inquest report in the presence of witness. By verifying the clothes removed from the dead body of the deceased, he prepared exhibit P8 seizure Mahazar at 6:30 p.m. on the same day, and the above articles were taken into custody, to which he was signatory. First off, the next day, that is on 30/8/2009, he visited the place of occurrence and conducted the investigation. He prepared the scene Mahazar and took custody of the blood-stained sand, footwear, spectacles, etc. as per Exhibit P10, scene Mahazar, Criminal Appeal number 504 of 2014, which contained his signature. PW14 completed investigation in this case and laid charge sheet against the accused before the Judicial First Class Magistrate Court, Chertala, where the case was taken on file as CP number 10/2011 and committed the case to the Sessions Court, Alapura, as per order dated 24/8/2011 after complying with the usual formalities. The learned Sessions Judge took cognizance of the offense under section 302 of IPC and registered the case as SC number 859 oblique 2011, from where the case was made over to the Additional Sessions Court, Alapura, for trial and disposal. During trial, the accused was in judicial custody for a considerable period of time, that is from 5/10/2012 till 2/9/2013 in the Central Prison, Thiruvananthapuram, and while so, the accused was sent to mental health care, Trivandrum for treatment. By letter dated 1/5/2013, Dr. Indu V. Nair, Superintendent, Mental Health Center, Thiruvananthapuram, informed that the accused was fit to stand trial. Accordingly, the trial court summoned Dr. Indu V. Nair and examined as CW1. First off, the doctor stated Criminal Appeal number 504 of 2014 that she had examined the accused in this case and diagnosed that the accused was suffering from bipolar mood disorder and depression with psychotic symptoms. Full stop. She further stated that he had improved with medications and was in partial remission. Full stop. He was fit to stand for trial, and hence she issued Exhibit C1 certificate discharging the accused with effect from 1/5/2013. According to her, she advised the accused to continue medication in jail with a periodical follow-up. The learned sessions judge, who was satisfied that the accused was fit to stand trial, proceeded with the trial. The accused entered appearance before the Sessions Court through a counsel of his choice. He was later enlarged on bail. Charge was framed against the accused on 15/6/2013 for an offence punishable under section 302 IPC. Full stop. The accused pleaded not guilty to the charge, whereupon the prosecution was permitted to adduce evidence in support of his case.